Hi, and welcome to the relaunch of Share Tips. Because it's recently relaunched, we've decided to make the first few trading tip videos available to the public, but all other material on the site is now available by prescription only. To start with, it's always good to have a discussion of the overall market. If you look at the Dow Jones Industrial Index and the S&P 500, they've run extremely hard over the last 3 weeks. In fact, they've had 3 positive weeks, and the ALSI has followed that trend. And as a result, we're finding that the ALSI is probably in what we might consider overbought territory. If we look at stochastics and the MACD, the real reason for mentioning this is we wouldn't want to go short, but we would exercise caution in going long. Remember, when the trend over the last 3 months has been up, you don't want to be shorting the market, but certainly exercise caution, because this week we would expect some retracement. But not in all sectors. So what sectors will we look for? Well, the banks index is one. Although ABSA and a couple of the other banks are not sitting in the same situation, we certainly like the possibility of maybe looking at Standard Bank, Nedbank, etc. If you look here, the general index is oversold. We're certainly going to be running into oversold territory this week. So what we would be looking for is, as I said, Standard Bank. The fundamentals of the company are there. They have just announced that they'll be retrenching a lot of people. We see this as a positive, although the initial indications of the market might not have shown that. But what they're really saying is, look, we're looking at cost cutting, and they're really thinking of the shareholder first, and that's always been Standard Bank's management's philosophy. Nedbank is another share that maybe one can put on your watch list, because it's definitely gone into oversold territory. Investec and First Rand are not as oversold as Nedbank comes across here, and so that would be one that we would think would be showing the first sign of a buy and a turnaround. So look out for the banking sector. One of the companies producing results this week is Rainbow Chickens, and we've already done quite an extensive research report. We're waiting for the update on Rainbow Chickens, and that report will be out immediately to all our readers. What we've done is we've looked at comparisons between Sovereign Foods, Astral Foods. We've looked at the last 5 and now 6 years, and we've drawn some graphs and given you some very good ideas of fundamentals, because if you look at the technical side, you can see that Rainbow Chickens is in oversold territory as well. But now, what about the fundamentals? Do they support the fact that one should be buying or not? So if you haven't registered for our full reports, please do so. It's not expensive. In fact, it's less than 25 US cents a day, or less than 2 South African Rand a day. To register, you need a PayPal account. All you do is you go to the ShareTips website, which is www.sharetips.co.za, or in fact you don't even have to put in the www on your browser. Once you get there, you simply click on the how to register site. You scroll down, and at the bottom of that site you'll have the option of a standard annual subscription or standard monthly subscription. Click on that and it will automatically direct you to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, well, you'll have to register one before. Thanks for listening.